Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are doing this pink look. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. I'm prepping my eyes with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. And today I'm getting ready to head to the hospital. My girl is in labor and I'm gonna go and visit her a little bit. Hopefully her baby comes today. Today I'm using the James Charles palette and I am highlighting my brow bone with Ring Light. Now I'm can't say it ever. Now I'm blending Pinkity Drinkity into the crease with my Morphe M514 brush. And this color is so light, you really have to build it. But I kind of really like that it's light because it helps blend all the darker colors out. Now I picked up Skip with my Morphe M518 and I'm adding it to the outer lid and I'm going to be blending it up as well. Yeah, so my girl has been in labor since, what, 2 days ago? I don't know, is it called labor when they start having contractions? Like right when they start having contractions? I don't know. But anyway, she started having contractions on Labor Day, or wait, Memorial Day, which was 2 days ago. Her due date was a week ago, last Wednesday, and yeah, so here we are, just waiting on baby. And you guys might ask if I'm really gonna go this extra to the hospital, and the answer is yes. Next question. I'm just slightly blending it into the crease and gonna blend it from there. Oh yeah, but I'm not gonna bring it all the way in, I'm just bringing it midways. Here I'm just blending out with the shade Prior so that we don't have any harsh lines. I picked up the shade Love That with my Morphe M562 and I'm keeping this closer to the outer lid, and again I'm blending it up but I'm keeping it closer to that corner, outer corner right here. Should I add black to it? I always say I'm not going to add black and I always end up adding black. I really want her to be born today. I want to see her like so bad. Every time I think about it though, like my eyes get so watery. I hella want to cry. I can't believe she's about to have a whole ass baby. What the f? It's crazy, man. Life. Here I go, guys. I'm going in with the black. So this is Spooky and I picked it up with the Morphe M506. And again, with every color we concentrate it closer to the outer eye and closer to the lash line. Now with my MAC 217 brush, I'm pressing in the white shade, which is called Flashback. And I'm gonna do that on basically the whole front of the eye or whatever, half. And with the same brush, I picked up Pinkity Drinkity. I can never say this stupid ass color. With the same brush, I picked up Pinkity Drinkity and I am placing it in the middle. With a small dense brush, I'm adding Love That on the lower lash line. I'm gonna try to keep this on the outer eye though, I don't want to bring it in too much. Hopefully I don't fuck up. And now I'm bringing in Ring Light to highlight. Now I'm adding the Heavy Metal Glitter by Urban Decay in the shade Grind. Now I don't know. Let's see what happens. I was gonna say I'm only gonna add that to the front of the eye, but I think I'm just gonna concentrate it in the front of the eye. So I'm gonna add a little bit extra on the closer to the inner corner. I did my face and lips off camera because I'm kind of in a hurry. I really want to get there before the baby's born, if she's even born today, but yeah. And I am curling my lashes with my MAC Eyelash Curler. Today I'm using my K.T.B 3D Mink lashes and these are in the style Taylor. Yeah, I love them. Tightlining your eyes really makes such a fucking difference when you're wearing falsies. Holy fuck. Like they help hide the strip so good. I mean, wait, what did I say? They help hide the strip so well. I don't know what I was trying to say or what I said, but yeah. And the waterline I'm actually lining with my LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in the shade Champagne. Now I'm going to add mascara, and I'm going to add a decent layer because my falsies are pretty dramatic today and I don't want them to only look heavy on top. I can't find my regular tweezers and I'm kind of eager as fuck to finish my makeup, so I'm just using these. It's kind of harder with them though, but whatever. Also, I think I'm going to change my shirt because I feel like it's way too much pink. What do you guys think? It looks cute though because it's like a little, you know? Ooh. Okay, I think I'm done with my makeup, but I just don't know what to do with my hair. It's still wet as fuck. I think I'm just gonna put it back in a bun. Alright, so that wraps up our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys next time.